Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how SmartPro works. And SmartPro is a platform, guys. It's not a robot itself, it's just a platform that helps mentors get their PC robot to you guys. We don't sell robots, we only own the platform which assists your mentors with getting the robot to work on your phone. So this is what you do when you want the app itself. You go to smartproea.com, as you can see here, then you click download. Then once you're done downloading, you install the app. And then once you're done installing the app, it will look like this when it welcomes you. Then you must allow draw on top. You click that, you go to settings, then you allow. When it's allowed, it's gonna take you a next step further. So in this instance, let's say now you want to continue, and then on my side I'm gonna enter my details, and then the mentor verification code was 4 because it was for icon. Let's see. Then that's done. Then I'll say icon, then put last name there, and then we say purchase now. So this subscription, guys, is to purchase access to our platform. You see, it's not for anything else, it's just for this platform, so that on your side it can work. Because without you purchasing the subscription to the platform, you can't access the app. So this is not money to your mentor, this is money for you to use the platform. So it's important that you understand what you're doing when you make a purchase of this subscription. And then there's a disclaimer, we don't refund on this one. Reason being, for you to get to this stage, it means you know what you are doing. You were not lost. And then we also make it important that you should know who's your mentor, how you got access to this, because a lot of people will come later on when they have access to the app, but they don't have a particular mentor, of which it's not our thing to can assist you with that. So after a year, you will do pay with credit card and so on and so on. And then I will hide here so that I can do my thing. Okay, as you can see, I'm paying for my subscription for this phone, and then one subscription works on one phone, so you can't switch the subscription from one side of the phone to the other side. You must take note of that, that if you are doing this, everything that you do on this phone ends on this phone. So now we are purchasing subscription so that we can be able to install the app from what? From the mentor. So this is just for access into the platform. So then that is done. It's redirecting us. So you can see now, now it's allowing us to add a new EA, of which you must have a valid license from a particular mentor, not from SmartPro people, but from a SmartPro mentor. So which means after this stage now, what you should do, it's click there, therefore look for your license, then enter the license, then authenticate. The license have been added successfully, as you could see. Then you press back. There's your robot. There is your robot. So if you check this robot at the top, it tells you who's the mentor. For example, here it says MT icon is your mentor, but then the name of the robot is Viper Special Edition in this regard. So also note, this is for demonstration purposes. That's why you will see there it says powered by SmartPro EA. So once you're done doing that, the next thing that you should do is come here, add your logins. Because without your logins, you are stuck. You can't work. So you must talk with your mentor and understand which broker you should use, of which in this regard, for example, I will hide some of the things just for the safety. 38. Okay. In this regard, what would happen is that after you enter your logins, you should say save. Then the app itself will check if the logins are correct before it saves them. You see, it says there was an error with the logins, which means there's a problem somewhere. Therefore, we try again. After we do what? We saved the password. You see? Then the details are saved successfully. So this tells you that you did the right password, you did the right account, and the server name. Then once you're done, you press there. Then you go to symbols. Remember, everything here, it's very much important. Irregardless of which mentor you got your robot from, you still have to do all these steps that I'm showing you. Then you will see on allowed symbols, you haven't allowed any symbols yet. So if you talked with your mentor, they will tell you which symbols they are trading the most, or you should be adding so that you trade with them, and for which broker, because the symbols that you add must match the broker that you are going to use them on. So let's go to say all symbols. For example, if you checked on the other side, we added Deriv symbols. So we added Deriv logins, I mean. So at this moment, my mentor said, let's trade Deriv pairs. I added them there on all symbols. What do you come and do? You say, okay, therefore, you put correct lot size. For this one, the minimum one was 0.2. If you don't understand that, you get that from your mentor. You ask your mentor for the lot size. So now, for example, here, come and say MT5. We need both directions, and then you need, let's say, 2 trades for risk management. Then you save. After you save, you will see the symbol is here. So once this is like this, then it means you have added what? The symbol. When there's a trade from Boom 1000 index, it will take it. If you didn't add any symbols, it means you will never get trades because you didn't allow any of the symbols available. Then you go back. Once you're done, you press start, and then you say allow. Then you will see a logo here which says SmartPro. Then it will load. If you click it, you will see it says server is online. For you to notice that the server is online, it takes a few seconds. It doesn't happen immediately. So after a few seconds of touching the logo, you should see if server is online or offline. When a trade happens, it will show you here and also give you a notification. So you should understand all these levels. So if it's saying server offline, contact your mentor. Sometimes you find that they have different trading times. Then they tell you the schedule. At what time we plug the robot. And then if on other instances it says server offline, just wait a few minutes and check back, because there's also network issues around the world. So be patient with your mentor, and then just ask, are you aware that the server is offline? And then if they are aware, they assist you. If they are not, they check, and then they see what's the problem and get back to you. This way, you get to understand how everything is functioning. You see, you get to understand how everything is functioning. And a trade won't happen immediately you press start, because how this works, it listens to the server side of the things and then wait for trades to get to you. So if the analysis are confirmed from the mentor side, is then when a trade will be sent to you. Not immediately you press start, you will get a trade. So make sure you understand the dynamic in that. So from that part to the next one, let's say you want to understand when a trade happens. How are you gonna see that a trade is happening? Let's say, for example, now it says it's opening MT5, a trade is happening. You see, it's logging into your MT5. So you shall see all these kind of things happening. Then you can understand that a trade is doing what? It's happening. It's pressing login, put in details, put in a trade. You see. So if you don't have network issues, these things will happen extremely fast. You see, now I'm on 2 bar and I'm using a Wi-Fi. Sometimes my Wi-Fi can be lazy. So if we go to the account with the MT5, I just want to show you. Let's close this. Then let's go to an MT5. It was here. You will see that that trade is there, and it also shows you that it's SmartPro EA. So it means those 2 trades that you chose have been executed, and then now you can be using your phone as you want, because you can just do this and then you do that. Then when trades happens, they will come to you all the time. So cheers guys, and good luck. Be patient with your mentor, reach out, and then if you are a mentor, communicate with your students. And then if you don't understand what we mean by server hosting, check another video where it talks about self-hosting. It's where a mentor links his PC bot or his copy trading to his mentee's robots. Thank you. Cheers guys.